I want to teach you guys a quick, easy way to Boresight your rifle if you don't own a Boresight. Now, this is not a perfect, I guess, perfect way of doing it, but it will help get those rounds on paper a lot quicker than just shooting without doing this. So what you basically do is you have your target down range at about 50 yards. That's what I like trying to do this. You take your bolt out. This will only work on a bolt action rifle or a single shot break open rifle, but I have the bolt taken out of this rifle, and you simply look down the bore and you try to find exactly the center of that target. Once it's on the center of that target, you at that point make sure you have a good steady rest. You can look through the scope and adjust your windage and elevation. This will at least get you on paper at 50 yards. These are my last 3 shots with the 135 grains Barnes TSXs. That looks like it's a much better group at 50 yards. Now let's send this target out to 100 yards and fine tune it.